Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Google. The report was first published on our website Friday, September 16, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Google? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since September 13, 2022, our system ranks the Google stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -3.737. In this period the stock has had a loss of -1.60%. This is an average return of -0.40% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Google, our last headline reads, Red Day on Friday for Google. The Google stock price fell by -0.26% on the last day, Friday, September 16, 2022, from $103.90 to $103.63. It has now fallen 3 days in a row. During the last trading day the stock fluctuated 2.14% from a day low at $101.86 to a day high of $104.03. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by -6.26% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 38 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 64 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $6.67 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $152.10, and the lowest price was $101.86. Right now the price is 31.87%, or $48.47, below 52-week high and 95.9%, or $2,423.36, below all-time high June 11, 2021 where the price hit $2,526.99. The stock lies in the lower of a wide and falling trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $103.55 is broken, it will firstly indicate a stronger fall rate. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -2.53% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -2.60% and 14.47%. The 12-month trend indicates a -25.85% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -33.50% and -14.80%. This equals a price between $68.91 and $88.29 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Google stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Google stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Google. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. There are few to no technical positive signals at the moment. The Google stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $107.40 and $114.26. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, August 15, 2022, and so far it has fallen -15.67%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the stock should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 24 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 12 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 17 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 15 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 17 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 13 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Google. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and given the right condition the stock may perform very badly in the next couple of days. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $2.18 between high and low, or 2.14%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 2.44%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Google. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Google currently has a price-earning ratio of 19.29. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Google meets first resistance at $107.87. If you do not hold Google shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. The stock does not have any support from accumulate volume below and may therefore fall very hard and fast given the right conditions. Caution is warned, and you should not place any bet unless you're a skilled trader and know how to play these cases. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Google is buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On September 9, 2022, Hennessy John L. made an inside sell of 1,500 of Class A common stock. On September 1, 2022, O'Toole Amy Thuner made an inside sell of 855 of Class C capital stock. On August 25, 2022, Mather ANN made an inside sell of 280 of Class C capital stock. On August 25, 2022, O'Toole Amy Thuner made an inside sell of 1,051 of Class C Google stock units. On August 25, 2022, O'Toole Amy Thuner made an inside sell of 1,069 of Class C Google stock units. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -48.171. In total, the insiders bought 586,322 and sold 1,698,437 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, no stop loss set. Is Google stock a buy? Google holds several negative signals and is within a wide and falling trend, so we believe it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We therefore hold a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Monday 19th, we expect Google to open down -46 cents and start trading at $103.17. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.